Welcome to the in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first let's launch the Google application, and after that we should tap on the right upper corner, then click here to the settings and tap to the voice, then select voice match. And just to activate Hey Google feature, we should click here once on this switcher. Now we should tap to the next, read this description and click yes, I agree. After that, tap here to continue. And now we should add our voice model assistant to recognize our voice. So just click to retain your voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now Hey Google feature is ready, so let's tap here to finish. And now when we'll say Hey Google or Okay Google, we can see that this feature is successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.